running with my ears open wide, been trying to hear the voice that's deep inside, whisper something real deep in my soul.
All right, so we are outside and I'm gonna do my toolbox today. So what we're looking at, now I eventually am going to do this with bed liner, but I didn't want to spend $100 on it right now. I definitely didn't want to spend $400 on a black toolbox. So I'm just going to Plasti Dip the front area, the top area, then each one of the sides, and then a little bit on the back, just to make it black for right now so it looks at least somewhat decent on the truck. So I'm going to get to work on that. So I opened up the lid, and I'm starting to do the first coat all the way around the top. I have the lid open just so I can get that top edge pretty decent, and I'll be able to close that, and then we can do the whole top and front and everything all in one shot. But I just want to get this top lip done before I really do anything else.
What would happen if I put my Jeep in drive? Miss my accident, flew on by, chasing a dream with all my mind. Oh, blackbird, I want to spread my wings and fly.
I think it's important to mention that I also got this toolbox for 40 bucks. So I'm gonna make it look nice for 20 bucks. So there's that too.
Well, everything inside me wants to know, do I climb out on that ledge and just let go?
Well, that's about it for one can. It's just about empty. So what we got, pretty good coat along the front. You can see the difference right there, just between what's actually being done. Still have a little bit of I need to do along this top edge, and then quite a bit to do. I'm not going to do below this because you're not going to see that, so I'm only doing up to the tape line. So I have probably 2 or 3 more coats to do on this edge. The lid on the side is about done, but have the whole top really to do. But I gotta save a little bit of work for Janine to do. She should be here in a little bit, so I'm gonna get back to it. So we're just about all square for tonight. Figure we'll try and let it set tonight and dry pretty well. And then tomorrow when I get home from work, I'll get it back out in the sun and make sure I didn't miss anything. Do one little final spray, and then we can stick it back in the truck and then see how it lasts.
But faith is sometimes hard to find. Maybe I should let my dreams just fly.